In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Monopoly Go on your iOS device. Now, if you're excited to start playing this engaging and fun twist on the classic Monopoly game, follow along, and by the end, you'll be ready to roll the dice. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the official Monopoly Go website. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser on your iOS device and typing in the URL www.monopolygo.com. Once you land on the home page, you'll immediately notice the bright and captivating visuals, designed to get you in the gaming mood. Now, the next step is signing in using your Facebook account. On the home page, locate the Sign In with Facebook button. This option is very convenient, as it allows you to quickly access the game without needing to remember yet another password or create a new account. Simply tap on that button, and you'll be prompted to enter your Facebook login credentials. If you're already logged into Facebook on your device, this process becomes even smoother, as it may automatically sign you in without further input. Once signed in, you'll be taken to the Monopoly Go homepage. This is your central hub, where you'll find everything you need to dive into the game. It's also where you can manage your settings, connect with friends, and explore available game options. To install the game on your device, you'll want to look for the Download on the App Store option on this page. It's usually prominently displayed, as the developers want you to easily transition from the website to the app, allowing mobile convenience and a richer gaming experience. When you've found the button, go ahead and tap it. This action will redirect you to the App Store page for Monopoly Go. In the App Store, you'll see more information about the game, including reviews, further details about game features, and screenshots. This can be a great place to gather insights into what to expect once you start playing. When you're ready, simply tap the Get button. If prompted, you may need to enter your Apple ID password or use your fingerprint or Face ID for security verification. The download process will commence, and depending on your internet connection speed, this could range from just a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once installed, the game will appear on your home screen, ready to launch and enjoy. You can then tap on the Monopoly Go icon, and you'll be transported into a world of adventurous gameplay, strategic moves, and of course, the thrill of building your empire. And there you have it. You now know how to download and install Monopoly Go on your iOS device. From here, it's all about strategizing, making moves, and, perhaps most importantly, having fun. Enjoy playing Monopoly Go.